This is Windows 11 versus Linux, and before you think this is just another which OS is better debate, here's the uncomfortable truth most Windows users never read. The real difference isn't performance or design, it's how much of your system behavior is being observed, logged, and optionally sent somewhere you didn't actively think about. Windows 11 feels like a finished product the moment you install it. Everything works, drivers are automatic, gaming is seamless, and the ecosystem integration is extremely tight. But behind that convenience is a system designed around telemetry, diagnostics, cloud sync, and service integration. Microsoft does not hide this, it's documented, but the way it's presented spreads across long privacy statements and layered settings menus that most users never fully audit. The result is simple. You get a smooth experience in exchange for a measurable amount of system-level data collection and behavioral telemetry by design. Linux flips that entire model upside down. There is no single company controlling what gets collected across the entire ecosystem. Instead, you get distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Linux Mint, each with different philosophies but all built on the same core idea: transparency and user control. If something is running on your system, you can inspect it, disable it, or replace it. The trade-off is that you also take responsibility for how your system behaves. Privacy is not assumed, it is configured. Now, here's what real-world users consistently report across technical communities, developer discussions, and user review platforms. Windows 11 is praised for compatibility, productivity workflows, and gaming performance, but frequently criticized for background data collection, forced online accounts during setup, and increasing cloud dependency. Linux is praised for transparency, control, and freedom from vendor lock-in, but criticized for driver inconsistencies, setup complexity, and a learning curve that makes it less accessible for everyday users. And here's the surveillance truth nobody explains clearly. Windows 11 is not secretly spying in a cinematic sense. It is data-driven by architecture because it is deeply integrated into cloud services, diagnostic systems, and product improvement pipelines. Linux is not automatically private either. It simply removes the centralized corporate layer and gives you the ability to decide exactly what runs, what connects, and what gets locked. So, which one wins? Windows 11 wins on convenience, compatibility, and ecosystem power. Linux wins on transparency, control, and privacy flexibility. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.